Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw money from a US bank to Barclays in 2025. With advancements in digital banking, this process has become faster and more secure than ever before. Whether you're an expat, freelancer, or just handling international finances, this guide will get you sorted in no time. First things first, make sure you have access to your US bank account online and the necessary details for your Barclays account, like the account number, sort code, and SWIFT code. Start by logging into your US bank's mobile app or website. Most major banks like Chase or Bank of America have user-friendly interfaces for this. Step 1. Navigate to the Transfers or Wire Transfers section. Here, select the option for international transfers. You'll need to choose the currency, probably USD to GBP, and enter the recipient's Barclays details accurately to avoid any delays. Step 2. Verify the amount you're sending and check for any fees. In 2025, expect lower fees due to new regulations, but always double-check. Transfers might cost between $15 to $50 depending on your bank. If you're using a service like Wise or Revolut, which integrate with US banks, you could save even more. Step 3. Review and confirm the transaction. Add any required security measures, like two-factor authentication, to keep your money safe. Once approved, the transfer could take 1 to 3 business days, thanks to faster payment systems like Fedwire or Chaps. A few tips. Always monitor exchange rates for the best deal, and consider using a multi-currency account to minimize costs. If you're dealing with large amounts, consult a financial advisor to avoid tax implications. There you have it. That's how you withdraw money from a US bank to Barclays in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Let me know in the comments if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.